All right, let's get the corner bead first because that's going to take the longest to dry. I need to sand this and be out of here. Hopefully by 1 or 2 today. I'm just trying to get where the corner bead is, and there's a little, let's show you. See that light coming through? That needs to be filled, basically. Then this corner will be done. I need to sand it a little bit, scrape. I'm just repeating the process that I did on the first coat. And remember, work clean, less sanding. I don't know if you noticed, but I do place the mud in the position where I need it when I'm applying it to, say, the corner bead in certain areas. Subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.